Yo, all right. Trade recap on how I made 933.78. I uploaded this on Instagram as well. So this was in like 17 minutes. This was textbook. I'm not gonna lie, this trade was textbook. Everything happened, rebound into this gap right here. Nice. In the 4 hour, you can see we have just been chopping. So 4 hour didn't tell me a lot, but 1 hour we had nice delivery. And then 15-minute, we had liquidation right here of this candle, liquidating all these levels. And then we rebounded into this gap. And right after that, not only was that a 15-minute, 5-minute fractable price, fractability, whatever it's called. We had the 5-minute gap here, boom, and then right after that we had the model play. We had delivery right after those gaps were tapped into. I believe we had news at like 2, but I think I got out before 2. Or before 10, sorry, 10. Yeah, I got out before 10. So yeah, we did have yellow folder news, nothing crazy, but yellow folder was there. But yeah, delivery, boom, and then you can see just how textbook this is. We have all this resting buy side. Is it buy side, right? Buy side, sell side. Yeah, it's buy side. All this resting buy side liquidity right here, boom, 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 all of that. We also had like somewhere over here was like another session high. I think this, oh no, this right here was like London highs. So yeah. Also this was was also correlating nicely. We had delivery out. You can see that this first candle here, it's cool, but you know, we just closed above the CISD, but I wasn't really going to take it then. I needed a bit more confirmation. And then, you know, the second candle here tells me I definitely need a bit more confirmation, because look at this candle. This candle is just neutral. It's just up and then down and then like, bro, what is this? It's just a neutral candle right here. We do not like to see that. But then this candle here sealed the deal. You know, we closed above this, it sealed the deal, and then I entered right there. So yeah, entered right there. Clean market surfer model right off of open, and then we hit TP in about 5, 10, 15 minutes. TP was resting, external rebalance into this as well as session. Like I think it was some sort of session liquidity. And so yeah, this was very, very textbook. I'm not gonna lie, very textbook trade. Everything was textbook. Like there wasn't really anything like too complicated in this. So yeah, pretty clean model. I'm not gonna lie. Took it on NQ simply because NQ the FVGs was a bit better. But honestly, if you took it on NQ or ES, it really doesn't matter. Both of them were correlating. There was no SMTs. So yeah, either pair you can take. It really doesn't matter in that scenario. I just took it on NQ because it looked better. But yeah, pretty simple stuff. If you guys do want to learn, DM me trade and I'll give you free training.